Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android phone to your iPhone? Well, because as you guys know, alright, transferring from another OS to another OS can be very tricky because both does not support Apple Cloud or Android Google Cloud. So what are the other solutions that you guys can use to transfer your WhatsApp data? Well, one of it that I'm going to share with you guys today is very simple and very straightforward, and you don't need to be really tech savvy to do that, and it is with the help of this Tenorshare iCareFone, alright, WhatsApp transfer app. And it's an app for Google and on the Apple Play Store as well, and you do not need a PC to do so, which is really convenient. So you guys can do it anywhere and whenever you need to transfer your WhatsApp data, alright, from your Android to iOS or iOS to Android, or even Android to Android or iOS to iOS. So which is really awesome. And as a mainly a WhatsApp user, right, sometimes when I need to transfer my data to one phone to another, alright, I can always go to this software, alright, and download the app itself and go ahead and transfer it. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you guys the app itself, and you guys can see what are the features it has. And after, I'm going to show you a full demonstration of the whole transfer process without the need of any PC at all. And without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the app itself. Okay, so this is the iCareFone transfer app, and you guys can see they can transfer not only WhatsApp data, but they can also transfer WhatsApp for business and as well as GB WhatsApp data as well. So which is really awesome. Alright, and you can also merge WhatsApp data or merge WhatsApp business data. So they have a lot of features built into here that you may or you might need in the future. So it's very generous of them to add this inside here. Alright, and they also have even more tools that I find one that is super helpful. Right, so they have one is called the status download, where you guys can download like certain videos and footage, alright, from the WhatsApp data, alright. Or one of my personal favorite is this direct chat. Alright, so you guys know, if you want to chat with someone on WhatsApp, you have to save them to contacts in order to chat with them. And it's sometimes you just want to like chat for like for certain things, and you don't want to save the contact, and you guys can always use this, put in the person number, the WhatsApp person number, alright, and you guys can just start chatting without even the need of saving into the contacts, which is really useful and really helpful. So this is one of my favorites. So they have this as a tool as well, so you guys can use this if needed. Alright, but today we're going to show you how to do the transfer of WhatsApp data. Alright, so what you're going to do is just to click on transfer WhatsApp data, and you guys can select you want to transfer Android to iOS, Android to Android, or iOS to Android. So what I'm doing today will be transferring my Android data to iOS. So what I do is just to click on Android to iOS, alright, and you have to back up your encrypted data to this one. And once you back it up, alright, you just follow the on-screen instructions to follow the next few steps to get your WhatsApp data exactly transferred, alright, to the new device itself. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go show you guys the whole transfer process itself, and you guys can see for yourself how easy and how straightforward. And after the transfer, every single chat, every single pictures where you left off is exactly where you are. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the full demonstration video itself. Okay, so first, when you launch the app, alright, and you click on transfer WhatsApp data, you just select Android to iOS, and they will say no end-to-end encryption detected, alright. So you just follow the on-screen instructions to create a 64-digit, alright, bit passkey. Alright, just click on go to backup, go to your WhatsApp, alright, just click on settings and scroll all the way down to chats, alright, and scroll the way down again to chat backup. Alright, once click on that, scroll the way down, click on the end-to-end encryption, click on more options, click on the 64-digit one, and then generate your 64-digit key. Once the 64-digit key has been generated, just screenshot it and save it first, and just click on continue. Alright, and just click on I've saved my 64-digit key, and just click on create. Alright, this will start creating a backup. At this point, you just need to wait for a while. It takes probably quite fast. Alright, for me it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, and after a while it should say completed, and now you can go back to the iCareFone transfer and go back again and just click on Android to iOS, and now it will say yes. Alright, so just click on 6 yes, and then after that you just open up your screenshot, alright, and you automatically identify the 64-digit key, the encryption key, and just load a while. Alright, just wait a while, and after that you just click on start analyzing, and once it's done, make sure all the keys are correct. Alright, and just select what kind of files you want to back up. For me, I'll just select everything and you'll just start extracting. Alright, and for now, you just have to log in to get an SMS on your phone itself, alright, from the iPhone itself. And after that, alright, you just go back to settings, enable OTG, so that you just need to connect your phone, right, your Android phone to your iPhone via the OTG cable. And once you connected it, the iPhone should prompt you, alright, should you trust this, and you just click on trust. Alright, also once you trust, alright, you can start allowing albums to access iPhone. Just start allowing it. Alright, just trust again, and just input the passcode to trust, and just follow on screen instruction on the app itself, and just keep following it. Alright, until the prompt is done. When the start transfer button is available and it says connected successfully, just click on start transfer, and now it will start transferring the data, the data to your iPhone. At this time, it probably take about 5 minutes depending on how much storage you have. Alright, once the transfer is done, alright, right now I can log back into my iPhone again. You guys can see, alright, so let's go to my WhatsApp on my iPhone, and you just have to sign in with the number that you used it previously on your Android phone. Alright, just sign with the same number and just click on continue. Alright, then they will same, they will send you your one-time password. Alright, so just wait a while. Alright, and once it's done, just click on yes and make sure the number is correct. Now they're sending you the one-time password to your mobile number, so you just wait a while until the verification code has been sent. And done, you log into your WhatsApp account. All your chats will still be there. You guys can see every single chat is all over here. Alright, exactly all the images, emoji, every single chat is as where it is supposed to be. Alright, so as you guys have seen from the full demonstration video itself, it's very easy, very straightforward, and the end result has been really useful. Alright, and you guys can see all my chats go back to where I want it to be, and I don't have any issues. I can continue chatting on the new on the iPhone itself, and yeah, I can still text my friends, my family, and anyone else. Alright, exactly where I left it off on the Android side. So, which is really awesome. If you guys are interested to check out this iCareFone transfer to iPhone, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below. I'll link them to the Google Play Store, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and start transferring your files or your WhatsApp data to your new phone right away. So yeah, if you find today's video really interesting and did help you solve your issue of having like WhatsApp data problem, like you can't even find a solution to transfer between different operating system, alright, do give it a thumbs up. And also, once again, I'll link this iCareFone WhatsApp transfer app, the first link in the video down below, for you guys to go ahead and check it out for yourself right here. And you guys can do it anywhere without the need of a PC, which is a plus point, because sometimes when you're traveling, I'm not carrying my laptop around and want to transfer immediately, I can immediately use this to do the transferring process, also, which is really helpful. Alright, so yeah, so once again, alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Cry.